Hi everyone. So let's see the progress of our project now. So as you're already familiar with the folder structure of our project, so now I have made some changes in the query. So before, but we are facing issue regarding that embedding thing. We are not able to generate the embedding. So issue which I am able to find out is here in our RAG query LLM. We are lagging here. Uh, in our embedding model. I'm using a different embedding model here in our query.py instead of the model which we use to like generate our summaries in the main. So that's the basic issue we are facing. And another issue is like uh, I have also updated our MongoDB embedder.py to handle specific type of uh, embedding. Like we are facing an mismatch issue of embedding. Like our MongoDB embedder is using a embedder which is using the embedding of 3077 dimensions, and for querying we got stuck even after say using the same embedder. We are getting a different dimension of the embedding, so that's why we are getting the whole the issue. And then as we already know that I am using an fast API to interact with our front end, and I we also have some updates in our backend API. So let's see how it all working. We can see that here what we are using. We are using our embedding model as Gemini embedding XP0703, and model name is also Gemini 2.5. Then we can see in our atlas. We have this document chunks, and index is our Gemini vector on which we are performing the vector search using our vector.py, vector string.py, and we have the file. This is vector query.py. We are using this pipeline to perform our query on it. So how the actual flow will work? So our backend API will call our query.py, and in query.py we will specifically call this function, which is uh, rag query LLM, and then from here we will go to MongoDB embedder, and then from embedder we will go to vector query.py, and from here we are sending a query to our MongoDB after converting it into natural language, or sorry, em embedding, which by using which we can extract data from our MongoDB from document chunks. Then we have our front end in this folder, and no updates been done in our app.jsx. Everything is as it is before, just two parts of the project, left and right. After that, we can see that we have. So how we are running this? So I am running this backend API here. If we go up, so we can see I am using that backend API to run this. We are using this command, which is uvcon backend API, and in API we are running app on this port. So we can see everything is running fine. And previously I have also tested our. Then I am running our front end using npm run dev because we are working with the React using Vite. And that's all how I structured this project. And now we can select any of the document to which we need to query. So let's ask this, what is PM Awas Yojana? So it will take some time performing all the operations which I described behind the scenes. So we can see after that document replied us like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is a scheme launched by the government of India with the vision of housing all, specifically Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban was launched in this. So it is providing a decent information about this scheme, and we are just selecting this document and how it is like pulling this response. So when we select this and type any query, so with this query we send a data which is document name ID, which is stored in our MongoDB. Here, this document name ID, but here we are dealing with the document chunks. So we send here the doc ID, and on this, then using this embedding, we are performing these operations, and we can also like ask, so how this scheme will help me, will help me, and like in the same manner, we can perform these operations on any document, like so we got. So based on the provided context, so by this we can like assure that it is using our document which we uploaded. So here's how it can help: financially assistance, subsidy of housing, home loan subsidy, direct grants. So we are getting a decent response, eligibility based on the income, everything is here. But we can see that this is not well structured, uh, which we can do if we are planning to like ship this project to production and deliver it to some client. So we can do that, and definitely we can improve the design of this project also. So we can like ask this, what is this scheme all about? So we are now dealing with the different document and asking like what kind of scheme it is, and let's see what we got. The scheme formulated by National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development is a special refinance scheme of installation of solar rooftop system for residential area. Its main objective are to promote solar energy based investment. And let's see last what we have. The scheme covers model ranging from 200 watt to 10 kilowatt and can be converge with other government subsidy schemes like PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So yes, we can see that we are getting a decent response for the different documents. But yeah, this is not well structured, and we can do it in the way we want uh, to structure our data, or simply we can use a different model which I am currently using, and we can definitely find a model which will return us this output in a structured manner. Yeah, so that's all from my end for today. Thank you so much.